Ready to supercharge your WhatsApp marketing with personalized automation? First, navigate to the Broadcasts section in your Wati dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Click on Create Broadcast to start a new campaign. Give your broadcast a clear and descriptive name to easily track its performance later. Now, craft your message. Use Wati's personalization features to insert variables like customer names or order details for a more engaging experience. Spice things up by adding images or videos to your broadcast to make it more visually appealing. Next, target your audience. Select specific segments based on tags, attributes, or any other criteria you've defined in Wati. This ensures your message reaches the right people. Choose to send your broadcast immediately or schedule it for a later date and time for optimal impact. Review your broadcast settings carefully, ensuring everything is accurate before launching. Integrate your chatbot by creating flows that trigger broadcasts based on user actions, automating personalized follow-ups and engagement. Finally, track your results. Monitor key metrics like delivery rate, open rate, and click-through rate to optimize your future broadcasts. Now you can create meaningful connection with your customers at scale.